Welcome everyone to Bharat CXO. Myself Kaumudi Vaidya. We are at the third edition of the Credit and Collection Summit 2025. I have with me a special guest, Ambi, right now.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to have you today on board.
It's an honor to be associated with Bharat CXO, one of the leading media houses that we have seen so far, and having such a young, beautiful lady right beside me co-hosting this particular interview session. Thank you so much for calling me here.
Thank you so much. The pleasure is ours. So it was a very lovely event of the 2 days and everything. So,
Wonderful. Thank you.
It was very well executed, all the guests and everything. So what would you like to tell from your perspective?
So the entire credit and collection thought started back in 2020-22 when we hosted some couple of small roundtables for different companies on this niche, credit and collections. And that's how we amalgamated the idea of hosting an industry event of this particular niche. Since then, since 2022, we've been building this and shaping this industry together with the industry stalwarts from the entire BFSI sector. And here we are with the third edition, and we have global editions of the same credit and collection, which we are going to do in Dubai, in Mexico, in APAC, and the Middle East. So yes, we can say we are shaping the industry together globally.
Absolutely, absolutely. So after doing so many successful events, what are your views on event management?
My views on event management is I take everything, every relation, every conversation, every meeting very, very personally, because this event industry is involving humans and a human touch, where we gather together and we celebrate a concept or a topic or any celebration. So you should have that personal touch with people so that they return back to your events and they celebrate you, not only come to your event, but celebrate that gathering.
What are your suggestions for the young generation?
Yes, I have a lot of suggestions.
Yeah.
Me being a girl, first of all, I support Nari Shakti. And I really love women entrepreneurs. I really love women being on the top, on front line, doing crazy things in their life, be it a job, be it anything else which they excel in. I would tell the Gen Z to be very, very learned, to be very proactive in terms of whatever they like, they should pursue, and be a good human being.
You're the inspiration. Yeah.
So thank you so much, Bharat CXO. We really, really loved you having here. It's an honor that you took part as an esteemed media partner at the third edition Credit and Collection Summit India, intermingled with all our CXOs, and also took their media bias. Thank you so much. And we continue fostering this relationship ahead in the coming future.
Thank you so much, Arpi. At the future event, we got to know so many people and we got to make so many good relations with you and everybody.
Of course, now this relationship is going to foster, right?
Yes.
So we're going to look ahead at 4th edition, 5th edition, and maybe annually 89th edition, if I'm not there as well. But still, the show must go on.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you, the team of Bharat CXO. You girls are wonderful. I wish you all the best in your life.